In this video, we're going to be having a look at the iBridge integration between Hornbill and Linode, where we automate the creation of a Linode virtual Linux server in the cloud using a business process workflow. We start off by creating an API key within Linode. This will be used to securely connect Hornbill with your Linode account. Once your API key has been created, be sure to make a note of this key. The next step is to take this API key and create a Keysafe entry within Hornbill administration. Start by clicking on the plus button, and then from the type field, we're going to select the API key option. Now we just need to add a title and then apply your Linode API key and click Create. We're now ready to look at a business process workflow where we can automate the creation of a new virtual server. Here I have a workflow for adding in our integration. I just need to break this connector and add in an integration call. Looking at the properties for this integration call, we can first select the method. For Linode, there are options for getting account information and for managing your virtual servers. I'm going to use the node create for the creating of a new server. Under the request credentials, we select the Keysafe entry that we had previously created. We can now specify the different parameters for the new server. Here I'm setting specific values. However, you can also take information captured by a user when the request is being raised by using variables. Click on the variable browser and navigate through and select the variables that you wish to have dynamically added into your workflow. Switching over to the Hornbill client, we can now raise a new request for a virtual server. I start by selecting the customer and then the virtual server request catalog item. We can then be presented with the options for our new Linode server. These options will populate the dynamic variables used in the BPM. Once the request has been submitted, the integration node will automatically create our new server. Back on the Linode Manager, we can see that the new server has now been created, and looking at the details of this server, we can see some of the options provided by the user in the Hornbill requests.